Hi, so welcome back to my channel. Today we have this exciting topic, which is how to text her to get her attention. So I know that most of us are experts in sending love messages and sending love text messages and all that, but I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and things to say and things not to say when you are sending that text message or composing that text to her. I'm just going to be basically sharing with you the type of conversation you should have with her, when to start and when to stop. It is very critical that you know these tips. So I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Omotilewa Odeyemi. So let's dive into the tips. So the first one is text her in the night. So when you text her in the night, everywhere is cool, everywhere is relaxed. Most evenings, people are more relaxed. They are back home from the hustling and bustling of the day, so everybody's at home. So it's the best time to catch her attention. So if you know her work schedules, good for you. But if you don't know, if you're not very conversant with her work schedule, then just do it mostly in the evenings. By then she'll be free for you she'll be free for conversation. So the second thing is, keep the text casual and simple. Bro, avoid emojis. Don't put too much emoji. Yes, choose your words. Just one sentence at a time. It's fine. Don't choke her with too much words. Don't just go and write one long epistle. You will write and write and write and write and write and write and write. No, don't do that. Just one sentence at a time. It's cool. And please, that emoji, avoid it. Don't text and expect responses immediately. Be a patient man. Don't text more than 2 messages at a time. Send the first one, no reply. Send the second one, no reply. Stop there and wait for her to reply. Another tip is that you should not reply the text messages back immediately. You will come off as being too desperate. You too, do shakara a little. Take your time to reply the text message. Not that you bombard her with messages and then she says just 1 or 2 lines or just one sentence and then you bombard her with another one. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Take your time to also reply the messages. Make her look forward to receiving your text. Start with the text message. Charm her, make her laugh, tell her witty things, bring out the witty side of you with the text message so that she'll look forward to your messages all the time. Don't try too hard to be funny. Let it come out naturally. Be so natural. Don't be unnecessary funny. It's a no. Look for the perfect opportunity to flirt with her. You know, let her tell her sweet things. Don't overdo it, but then tell her sweet things, especially when she tells you something about herself. Maybe she tells you something good. Oh, I'm very good at stuff like this. So it's an opportunity for you to flirt. Use that to flirt with her. Tell her how good she is, how beautiful and how good you think she is. As much as you want to flirt with her, be nice to her, tell her sweet things, try and hold good conversation with her. Don't overdo it. Don't become her brother all of a sudden. You know your aim. Don't become her brother all of a sudden, otherwise you'll be friend zoned. Give her a reason to look forward to your text. So let her look forward to your text message all the time. But don't overdo it to the extent that she see your text and then she eases and she doesn't want to pick your call. Don't overdo it to that extent. Give her a reason to want to talk to you all the time. Whenever she sees your text, she's excited about your text message. She's excited. She wants to check her phone every minute, every second, because she wants to hear from you all the time. So the whole essence of the back and forth is for her to go on a date with you, right? So don't defeat that purpose. Stick to that purpose. Don't text anything that takes you out of that. Don't become too comfortable, and then otherwise you will remain on her phone forever. So text her with your purpose in mind, so that you don't remain on her phone. She will not tell you that she's not available to see you. If you keep texting her and there's no reply, text for a few days and there's no reply, please don't get angry. But if after trying several attempts, it's up to you to do whatever you want to do. During the conversation, if all of a sudden she stopped texting you, find out why. Don't become a sore loser. Just try to know the reason and try to amend or adjust why she's doing that. Thank you once again for listening to me. I appreciate you. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Share, like, subscribe, comments. I'll be in the comment section. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Bye. See you in my next video.